friends and fellow vintage lovers. This is the haul video I was talking about yesterday. I found some great items at some estate sales and at a thrift store. I still have another video I'm going to upload. I'm running out of space on this table, so I decided to kind of break these haul videos up into about 2 or 3 more videos. These items, some of these I actually picked up today, and some of the other items I picked up at what used to be my honey hole, a little charity thrift shop near my house. And for the first time in a while, I did find a couple things there, so I was very excited about that. But guys, I was really, really, really excited about this estate haul. It was advertised, cats, 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 and it did not fail. There were literally so many cats in this household, I don't think I saw every one. I grabbed the ones that I thought were the most special and the most unique. I know we have a lot of cat lovers in our community, and a lot of you do come to the live sales that I do with Gina. So I thought I would grab some cats today. The first one I want to show is what I think is the most special one. I apologize for my lighting. There we go. I think this is a little bit better. Okay, guys, this is Mexican pottery, and it is definitely Tonala style. I have never seen a piece of Mexican pottery like this in my life. This is so beautiful. It is purple, kind of a mauvey purple color. And this cat has so much beautiful detail. Look at this. Just detail all throughout. And I think my favorite part might be the feet here. Look at that. But look at the face. I could not believe it when I found this guy. This is the first time I've seen, Mexican pottery in the Tonala style. This color, I mean, frankly, you don't find it very colorful at all. But look at this. Look at the detail. It is signed here. It does say Mexico, and it does have the artist's signature. I'm going to have to do a little bit of research to find out more about this artist. But I fell in love with this cat when I saw it. It's just absolutely beautiful. The more I look at it, the more I'm not sure I'm going to sell it. Which brings up a conversation I had with people at this estate sale. So this house, it wasn't in a great neighborhood, which sometimes doesn't mean there are not good items inside. But the house is pretty old, and it was not in good shape. And I had perused everything on the first floor, and I went up to the second floor. And I noticed right away that each step said caution. Each individual step in a very steep, narrow staircase. So I get to the top, and I had kind of, just hung onto the walls and slowly gotten up there. So I go into the first room, and I'm greeted by one of the workers, and we start talking about, she saw my shirt I'm wearing, Buy Me Vintage and Tell Me I'm Pretty, the shirt Angela Marksberry designed. And she loved my shirt, which led to a discussion about all things vintage and hoarding. We were just teasing each other about the amount of vintage things we have. But as I was talking to her, she noticed some older ladies trying to go down the stairs. And she told the ladies, the safest way to get down the stairs is to just go down by your bottom. So she was telling these elderly women to get down and just slowly go down the steps on their bottoms. So I thought, oh my gosh, I think I need to get out of here. And I told her, I said, I think this is probably a really big liability for you guys. Maybe you should get all the items up here downstairs or something. And the woman said, yeah, I'm afraid after 3 days we will have an accident in here. And I said, I kind of agree with you. Being younger, I had no problem going down the steps as one would normally, just step by step instead of scooting down. But I could definitely see how older people or younger people, like children, if they're in a hurry, I could just see a disaster happening. So I wish the best to this estate sale company. I just never would recommend something like that with precarious stairs. It turns out that the stairs had no railing because an elderly person lived in the home who could no longer use the stairs. So they had an electric chair that went up and down for them. But the estate sale company should have definitely figured out a safer way to do this. I do really wish them luck. They were very nice people, but I hope nobody gets hurt. I really, really do. Okay, I know I'm kind of skipping around here, but I kind of wanted to tell the story about people getting down on the ground and scooting down this staircase. Okay, so Gina, Vintage Digs, my partner in crime, keeps getting these dolls. I think my doll is much sweeter. I normally don't pick up things like this, guys, but it's a cute cat. It's a doll, and look at her feet. I think this is what got me. Look at that. She's got cat feet under her dress, and she's got this cute bonnet. She is the manufacturer's Toy Workshop, I believe. No, Toy Works, and the company was from New York. I believe this is definitely vintage, probably 80s, I would guess, just from looking at it. She's in really good shape. She just cracked me up in the way Gina and Sue Spezio and Thomas Lynch have been going on about the dolls. I had to get this because Thomas may need this doll in his life. I'm just saying. Okay, and at my charity thrift shop, I picked up one of these accordion style storage or shelf units. This one does not have pegs. It does fold out. It's more like a wine rack, but I have seen these repurposed for many different things. So I went ahead and grabbed it. I had not seen one of these in a while, so I was very happy to pick that up. I'm sorry I'm not opening it, but I think everybody knows how it works. Yeah, I'm not going to try that right now. If you have any questions about it, you can feel free to shoot me an email, calypsoantiques@gmail.com, or you can send me a DM on Instagram, calypso_antiques. Okay, I also picked up this piece of Mexican pottery at my local thrift store. Again, this is just a charity shop. I just love the simplicity in this. I love the design. I think this is just a really pretty piece. It is signed here as well. I have not researched this artist yet either, but I just thought this was really pretty. I love it. You know, I'm all about the boho, so that might be why I'm drawn to this, but I just think that's a pretty little vase and very unique, like I said. Not what you see with most Mexican pottery, that is for sure. Okay, so this is not vintage, at least I don't think so, but I had to get it. It is 20 posters of cats dressed as Shakespearean characters. I'm seeing if there's, this is 2016. And it looks like this is a British book. Yeah, I think it is. I had to get this. Look at these pictures. I have not decided yet. Look at Romeo and Juliet. I have not decided yet what I want to do with this book. I'm tempted to do some crafting with this myself. I've thought about, I do have some vintage frames, maybe putting them in frames, maybe selling some of them at a live sale. I'm not sure yet, guys. Oh my gosh. This is Richard II. This book is so pretty, and the illustrations are just amazing. I'm not going to go through the whole thing. How about we do one more page? We'll stop whatever this is. Oh, this is Twelfth Night. Oh, I love that. I love that cat. Okay, so I had to get this. This was a no-brainer, and this was at the cat house. Okay, this pretty Siamese was also at the cat house. I just thought this was nice, and it reminded me of some of my viewers who collect cats. A lot of people do like Siamese. I just thought this was really pretty. I think this is probably 80s, maybe 70s. If you see dust on it, I just haven't had a chance to clean it off yet. But there's the pretty Siamese. And this piece I did get at my local thrift store. This is really cool. This is a cut glass. I don't think it's crystal. At least I'm pretty sure it's not crystal, but it is obviously in the shape of a fan. I love the detail on this, and look at the shine. This is such a pretty piece, and from what I understand, clear glass is coming back, so I thought this would be something really cool to pick up. I absolutely love this. You could use this as some sort of serving dish, or I would probably use it for jewelry. I think this would be beautiful as a jewelry display. I just love this. Really cool. I have not researched it. I do not know who manufactured it. It may not be vintage. I just think it's cool anyway. Okay, now this I did get at the cat house. These, they had like 3 or 4 sets, and each of them was a different design. But these are vintage Japanese plates and saucers. I only got one plate and one saucer. I did get the matching set. I may go back over the weekend. If any of you are interested in these, let me know and I can go back and pick up other sets. It is marked Japan here on the bottom. I picked what I thought was the cutest one. I just thought this cat and her baby. I like their faces. Just so, so cute. So I had to get those. But again, if anyone is interested in any more, I can definitely go and try to pick them up if they haven't already been sold. Now this I got this at the estate sale too, so it wasn't all cats. This is an Avon. I believe it's kind of like a potpourri. Oh, I'm forgetting what it's called right now, but it's where you put like the sachet, the different good smelling stuff. You put it inside this unicorn and, he would make your house smell better. It's funny, he still does have some in there, but I'm sure they no longer have a scent. I got him because, well, it's a unicorn and it's Avon. And I want Avon to come back in a big way, and I know I'm not the only one. Okay, now I also picked these up at the cat house. I do not believe these are lucite. I think they're just plastic. But purple's my color, and I was drawn to these. I just think they're really cool looking. They look like amethyst, kind of mother of pearly, pearlescent, opalescent. I could use many descriptive words for these, but I just thought they were really cool. And they're definitely vintage. Okay, these last few things, I picked up this set of 3 plaques that go on the wall. Here's another Siamese kitty. There's an orange tabby, and here's a black and white tabby, and they each have, flowers. I believe these are probably from the 70s. Again, I could be wrong, but I'm kind of basing that on the frame. They do have an artist's signature on here, but I don't believe they're individually painted. I highly doubt it, but they're really good. I mean, really cute and in really good shape. So I picked those up as well, and I probably will sell them as a set. The last thing I got was this. This is a candle, which I thought was so cool. He is made to look like wood, and at a distance, he definitely did look like wood. I think this is so unique. I love this cat. Of course, I would never recommend burning this candle because you would never want to hurt this kitty, right? He does not have a marking. Gina did pick up something similar to this. I believe hers was an owl. And they do fetch a pretty good price on eBay, so I definitely need to do some more research on him. But if you're interested in him or anything else you see here in this video, do reach out to me. I'm very happy to work something out with you. And as usual, I want to thank everyone for your support. It does mean a lot. And I want to remind you, in case you don't know, I am having a live sale tomorrow morning with Gina, Vintage Digs. It will be on her channel, and we're doing a morning sale. It will start at 11 Eastern, and we'll probably go for about 2 hours, maybe a little bit over that. I do have an appointment to get to, so it won't be one of our longer sales, but we are hoping that we can kind of be fast and get through a good amount of items. Show everybody a variety of things. Okay, guys, I appreciate all of your support. Like I just said, if you can, go ahead and comment, like, share, and subscribe if you don't already. Thank you for watching this video. I hope everyone has a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.